Hello everybody. So in this video, we are going to show you how to do a Della validation formula to change this ticker and make it fluid in cell C1 here. For now, I'm going to show you if we change this to MVDA, it should change this price. So the first thing I want you to do is you're going to need a list of symbols. So you're going to go to a symbol work tab, or make a tab just like I have, symbol work tab and share price. This video should only take about 5 minutes or so. So this is going to be a quick one. You're going to need a list of symbols, which I have here. I have over 6,000 symbols listed in cell A1, A2 to like 6,500 something. And then share price, we're just going to, in cell B1, just copy this the way I have it, symbol, and then you're going to just put a ticker in there, but we're going to change that. And then symbol and price in cell D2 and E2. And then I just want you to we want to reference this cell in cell D2. So this, when this changes, this will change to whatever this is. So just put equals C1. And then under price, you're just going to use the equal Google Finance, open parentheses, D3, comma, open quotations, price, close quotations, close parentheses, and that'll give you your price. So if we change NVIDIA to Palantir, the price should change. And it does. So we get $31.78. Okay, our next step here, and really our final step, is to data validate this. So we no longer want this just to say Palantir. We're going to click on this cell C1, and we're going to click data. We're going to go down to data validation. We're going to click add a rule. We want to drop down from a range. So right here, you want to click on this little arrow, then click drop down from a range. Then you're going to click on this little box that says select a data range. So we want to select a data range. We want to go back to our symbol work tab, and we want to pull everything from A2 all the way to A. So you see, if you start to pull it down, it says symbol work tab, exclamation mark, A2 to A7, because that's what I have highlighted. If you just back out and get rid of the 7 and just put A in, it'll grab everything in column A, all the way to however far you have it. So then just click OK. And because I have so many symbols in here, this is going to take a second. So I'm going to pause the video until this finishes, and then I'll come back and show you what we do next. Okay, so now that we've done that, the next step will be to make sure that this says reject. We're going to go to advanced options here. So because I pulled in so much, it was taking a second, but we're going to go to advanced options. You're going to click on that, and this should all pop up when you go to advanced options. Make sure it says reject the input. And then right now, if we go to our share price tab, we should have the pull downs, which we do. And right now the display is on chip, which is what this looks like right here. That's what a chip looks like. And if you don't want chip, you could change that to arrow. Just click at the arrow. And you still could you'll get a pull down. It just doesn't have the gray little circle on it. So it's up to you. I keep it as chip, and then you'll just click done. And then that should be all you need to do. You're going to X out of that. And now we're going to be able to change this. So let's just go to Apple. That'll be the first ticker that comes up early. So AAPL, right? We go to Apple, and we should get a different share price based on Apple, right? So Apple is $226.84. So this is the Apple share price, the Apple ticker, and the Apple share price, and it's linked to this. So if we change this to, let's say we scroll down to, let's pick a different stock. How about Meta? So we want to go all the way down to M. You just take this little cursor and scroll it down. And this is in alphabetical order. We need to go to META. And you just click on META, and now we should get Meta and Meta share price. And we're just going to add 2 decimals there, so in case they have change. So that will be Meta share price. And if you don't want to scroll all the way down, you can, so let's say we want something in like L and we don't want to drag this all the way down, we still can type in something. So let's say Lamb Weston, or let's say NVIDIA, because that's a popular one. So if we change this to NVIDIA, we can just type it in, and then we get NVIDIA's price. That's it for this video. I just wanted to show you how to do that. I hope that was helpful. If it was, consider liking and subscribing, and thank you for watching.